Hello and welcome back, guys, to our electronics exploration series. And today we are diving into the fascinating world of non-inverting amplifiers. Now, before we get started, let's break it down. A non-inverting amplifier is a type of operational amplifier circuit that increases the amplitude of an input signal without inverting its polarity. In the previous video, we discussed about the inverting amplifier, so it this one is opposite of the inverting amplifier. So it's a handy tool in electronics for boosting signals without flipping them upside down, metaphorically speaking. So now if we move onwards, that's how it has worked. Well, let's take a look at the circuits. If you will see here, it will be easy for you to understand that here we have a frequency and an amplifiers. Here we have outputs, and here two resistance are using as a feedback. So now we have operational amplifier, often represented by that funky triangle symbol here with two inputs, the non-inverting input marked with the plus signs here you can check out, and the inverting marked with the minus sign. So in case of inverting amplifiers, the feedback is at the inverting inputs, but here it is on the non-inverting input. So that's why it works as a non-inverting amplifier. And when we apply voltage signals to the non-inverting input, the operational amplifiers compares it to the voltage at the inverting input because of this feedback. Now here's the cool part. Because of the way the operational amplifier is set up, the output voltage adjusts to make the two input voltages equal. And but wait, there is more. We have got these nifty resistors in the mix, and the resistor connected between the output and the inverting input, along with the resistor between the inverting input and ground, create a feedback loop. As I told you, this loop controls the gain of our amplifier. The ratio of these two resistors determines how much the input signals get amplified. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful non-inverting amplifier circuit. So whether you are boosting audio signals in our home stereo system or fine-tuning sensor readings in your latest DIY project, understanding non-inverting amplifier can be a game changer. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tinkering. If you required any type of assistance in your electrical and electronics projects, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number that is given in the description, and also you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profile. Thank you so much for watching the video.